modeling. Clay modeling, you can see in the photograph that the child is making a model with the clay. मट्टी का होता है ना चिकना चिकना सा, that is what is clay modeling. Okay. Then we learn to dance and sing. What we do? We learn to dance and sing. We learn to play games also. What we learn? We learn to play games also. We learn good manners also. कैसे सबसे बात कराया जाता है, how we have to wish everyone, how we have to behave in house, how we have to behave to in school. So all these things that we learn in school. There are many things besides study. We don't only do study only. Along with study, we learn to read and write. We learn to draw and paint. We learn craft and clay model. Then we learn dance. Many children learn music also. We learn to play games. We learn good manners. All these things we learn in school. Okay, then this is a blank which is given. Write the name of your school. All of you have to write the name of your school. सबको अपने नाम लिखने हैं स्कूल के. Okay, now that next one. The school usually has a large building. In which school you go, you can see na that is a very large building. So usually school क्या होती है, हमेशा बड़ी सी building होती है school में. There are many classrooms in school. और बहुत सारे classes होते हैं, classrooms होते हैं बहुत सारे. Teachers teach student in the classroom. और teacher क्या करती है, how I am teaching you, same way the teacher teach in the school also. And you listen to the teacher and you write down the question answers and you learn the explanation in the classroom. Okay, then turn the page. Then write the name of your class teacher. All of you will write the name of your class teacher. So all of you have understood what all things we do in school. Besides study, beside मतलब study के अलावा और क्या क्या चीजें, बहुत सारी चीजें हम learn करते हैं. These all things we learn in school. There are many now rooms in school. There are many rooms also. You have seen that classrooms होते हैं बहुत सारे. So that is what is called rooms in school. There are many rooms in a school for different activities. Okay. There are many rooms in school for different activities. First one is we read books in the library. We read books in the library. क्या करते हैं हम लोग स्कूल में जाके, you all have the library period. आपके सबके library period होते हैं ना. मैम take you to the library class. और वहां पर आप क्या करते हो, you study with the library. You study many types of books. वहां पर story books भी होती हैं, आपकी study से related books भी होती हैं. जो भी books आपको वहां पर पढ़नी है वहां पे book होती हैं. Utkarsh Gupta, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Utkarsh, which class you are?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
मैम कौन से क्लास में है ये?
मैम सेकंड क्लास का ये किस चीज का चैप्टर है मैम ये?
मैम ये सेकंड क्लास नहीं है, आपको टाइम टेबल नया नहीं मिला था, ये आज फर्स्ट क्लास है पहला.
अच्छा, यही तो मैं इससे बोल रही थी कि मैंने कि ये बोला कि पागल प्रीति मैडम की
आपको टाइम टेबल आया होगा, सब बच्चे सेकंड के आ रहे हैं.
हाँ यस मैम, सॉरी मैम, सॉरी.
ओके.
मैं कह रही हूँ जबकि चेंज हो चुका है सब्जेक्ट.
कुछ भी बोलिए.
मैंने तेरे पे टाइम टेबल भेजा था.
चला. Okay, second one we learn learn to use computers in school room. Computer room. What we do? We learn computers in computer room. Children, many of you are joining in of second class. You are joining here. Why you are joining, beta? This is not your second class. Second class. सेकंड की क्लास नहीं हो रही है बेटा, ये फर्स्ट की क्लास है. आप टाइम टेबल देखो, जो बच्चे अभी मैंने रिमूव करा है. ओके, वी लर्न टू यूज कंप्यूटर्स इन द कंप्यूटर रूम. आप कंप्यूटर रूम में जाते हो ना, देयर यू व्हाट यू डू, यू लर्न हाउ टू यूज कंप्यूटर्स. देन we learn to sing and dance in music and dance room. When you go, when there is a music period or there is a dance period, you go to the dance room. हम कौन से रूम में जाते हैं? Dance room, where we learn how to sing and learn dance in the music and dance room. Okay, children. Then fourth room is what? Fourth room is that we buy eatables from the canteens. Canteen, when there is a lunch break, you go to the canteen to purchase the eatables. Many of the children purchase samosas, toffees and all. So you buy eatables from the canteen. That is what is called canteen, where you can get things for eating. Okay, that is also a room. Then the fifth room is when we are unwell, we take rest in the infirmary. ओके, देन जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो वी टेक रेस्ट. हम कहाँ जाते हैं? इन्फर्मरी में जाते हैं, जहाँ वी कैन टेक रेस्ट. वहां पर एक डॉक्टर होता है जो ही टेक्स केयर ऑफ अस, जो हमें मेडिसिन दे देते हैं. इफ सपोज देयर इज नो डॉक्टर, तो टीचर विल बी देयर, व्हिच टीचर टेक केयर ऑफ यू. सपोज देयर यू आर हैविंग अ स्टमक पेन और हेडेक, सर में दर्द हो रहा है या पेट में दर्द हो रहा है, तो वो टीचर को पता होता है कि कौन सी मेडिसिन देनी है, कैसे देना है, क्या देना है, एंड इन्फर्मरी में हम जाके ले लेते हैं. ओके, देन वी सिक्स्थ रूम इज activity room. What is the sixth room? Activity. We learn painting, craft, clay modeling in the activity room. Activity room में हम क्या करते हैं? पेंटिंग सीखते हैं, क्राफ्ट करना सीखते हैं, क्ले से मॉडल्स बनाते हैं. See, you can see the children are making the small models with that clay. That one boy is painting. So we do painting, craft, clay modeling in the activity room. That is what is called एक्टिविटी. वो कौन सा रूम होता है? एक्टिविटी रूम. देन वी डू एक्सपेरिमेंट इन द लेबोरेटरी. अब you don't go, but you must have seen in our school also there is a laboratory. Okay, elder children go. They have shown the small children, but small children doesn't go, elder children go. They go in the laboratory and they do the experiments over there. वहां पर वो लोग क्या करते हैं? एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करते हैं. टीचर जैसे जैसे बताती है वैसे वो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करते हैं. Okay, then we that is what is called laboratory. That is also a room. Then we play games in the playground. Playground में हम खेलते हैं. That is also school का ही वो part है. So in school also we play in the playground. So that is also a rooms in a school. So these are the rooms which are in the school. कौन के? Beside studies, beside a classroom. Classroom के अलावा और कौन कौन से रूम्स होते हैं? ये सारे रूम्स होते हैं. कौन कौन से थे? लाइब्रेरी, कंप्यूटर रूम, म्यूजिक एंड डांस रूम. इन मेनी स्कूल यू विल फाइंड म्यूजिक का रूम अलग होता है, डांस का रूम अलग होता है. देन कैंटीन्स यू हैव. देन इन्फर्मरी यू हैव, जहाँ पर डॉक्टर्स देखते हैं या टीचर देखती हैं. देन एक्टिविटी रूम and laboratory where the experiments are done, or last is playground. So all of you have understood what is rooms in school. कौन से तरह के rooms होते हैं? We have done two things. What we have done? two things. What? First one was that we learn many things in school. हम स्कूल में बहुत सारी चीजें सीखते हैं. Okay. Then we saw that there is a large building और वहाँ पर बहुत सारे rooms होते हैं and there the teachers teach us. And next was the rooms in the school. वहाँ पर बहुत सारे rooms होते हैं स्कूल में जो जिस चीज में इंडिविजुअली वो एक्टिविटी कराई जाती है. Okay. Now turn the page. Next page, I will show you the next page. Okay. Third page. Now a day at school. A day at school. स्कूल का दिन, एक दिन कैसा होता है? एक दिन पूरा कैसे होता है आपका? All the students reach school in time. You always have the time कि हाँ we have to reach by 8:30. That means you have to reach by 8:30. हमको 8:30 से पहले पहुंचना है. Otherwise you will be you have to wait outside the gate. आपको लेट कह दिया जाएगा और आपको बाहर वेट करना पड़ेगा गेट के. Then they come in their school uniform. You go to school in school uniform. आप कैसे जाते हो? स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म में जाते हो. You come in school in school uniform. आप कैसे स्कूल जाते हो? You go in school uniform. हम स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पहन के जाते हैं. जो भी स्कूल की हमारी यूनिफॉर्म होती है हम वो स्कूल में पहन के जाते हैं. Then first they attend in the morning assembly. First they attend the morning assembly. क्या अटेंड करते हैं? मॉर्निंग असेंबली अटेंड करते हैं जो मॉर्निंग में असेंबली होती है. In our school also we had the assembly na. Same way in every school there is a assembly in the morning. Aksh Mishra, where is your mic? It's not showing your mic. And from which class you are? Then they first attend the morning assembly. Then we will go. They stand in a line there with folded hands. वो वहां पर हम लोग क्या कैसे खड़े थे? We stand in a line with folded hands. Folded hands, we join our hands. See, you can see that children with the blue and white dress. Children are joining their hands and they are standing in a line, and teachers are standing in front, and principal is also standing over there with brown coat. They recite the prayer. Recite the prayer बोलते हैं हम लोग. क्या करते हैं? Prayer बोलते हैं. What we do prayer. Hina Sagar, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
From which class you are?
Second.
Beta, this is not the second class. This is first class. बेटा you are not following the timetable. मैंने बोला भी था कि this is first class. ये first class का टाइम टेबल है और first class first के बच्चे हैं. सेकंड का नहीं है आपका ये.
जी एक्चुअली मैम पूछना था. एक्चुअली फर्स्ट क्लास जो ऑनलाइन होगी रोज एवरीडे चलती है, जो फर्स्ट की ही चलती है?
नहीं सर, रोज चेंजेस, हर वीक में टाइम टेबल चेंज होता है.
एक्चुअली अभी तो हुआ नहीं, पिछले हफ्ते भी यही था शेड्यूल. तो
सर आया होगा, यू मस्ट हैव नॉट सीन इट. ये फर्स्ट की रोज सेकंड चलती थी, आज फर्स्ट है.
ओके सॉरी.
Then okay children, what we were doing, they stand in a class, there were folded hands. वो वहां पर they stand in a line there with folded hands. वो वहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं? You can see that photograph that the children are standing in a line with folded hands with blue and white dress. Okay, they recite the prayer. वो क्या करते हैं? प्रेयर बोलते हैं. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, we say the prayer ना in the morning, Gayatri month, then morning prayer, then some speeches also goes, then school pledge also we say, and then national anthem. So they also what they do in school, prayer is done, then school pledge is done, and then national anthem. प्रेयर होती है, फिर स्कूल प्लेज होती है, नेशनल एंथम होता है, फिर कई स्कूलों में बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. सो these all things is done before the class, before the class is started. Okay, then during the assembly the principal tells many good things to student. assembly में बीच में principal क्या हमें बताती है ना कुछ चीजें. If suppose there is a birthday, then principal tell us that today is the birthday of some students. She takes the name, or she some important information if she wants to give. अगर कोई important information देनी है तो भी वो देती हैं वही assembly में, isn't it? So I mean, suppose somebody had got the award, then also she tells that that person had got the award, उसको award मिला है. So many things, whatever important information या good things होती हैं वो मैम प्रिंसिपल मैम वहीं पे स्कूल में असेंबली के टाइम पे ही हमें बताती हैं. Okay children, now the principal is the head of the school. Who is the head of the school? Principal is the head of the school. कौन head होता है स्कूल का? Principal. Okay, she or he sits in his or her office. Whether the principal is he or she. In our school a principal is she, so she sits in her office. और अगर gents होगा तो what we will say? He sits in his office. He और his लगेगा gents के लिए, और जब हम lady teacher के बारे principal के बारे में बात करेंगे तो she और her. Then after the assembly children go to their classrooms and study, and after that assembly we go to the classroom ना one by one. We go to the classroom. अब अपने अपने क्लास में जो बच्चा जिस क्लास में पढ़ता है they go to that classroom. Okay. Okay children, this is the blank. Write the name of the principal of your school. You can write the name of your principal. आपके स्कूल की जो principal, you can write the name of the principal. Okay, now next. During recess children eat food and go to playground to play. Recess means break. Recess क्या होता है? Break होती है. जब break होती है तो हम क्या करते हैं? We eat food ना, we eat food with our friends and we go to the playground to play. और हम ground में चले जाते हैं. जब अभी तक आप लोग small थे तो you were not allowed to go in the playground, but बड़े जब आ जाते हो तो you can go to the playground and you can play over there. Okay. Then again the question has come, who is your best friend in school? You can children, you can write your best friend. आपका सबसे अच्छा दोस्त कौन है? You can write the name of your best friend. Okay children. Now after school they come back home. फिर जब स्कूल खत्म हो जाता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? When does our school time gets over? It gets over at 1:30. And nowadays our school, what is going on? Our school is getting over at 12 o'clock. So after school, when the school is over, you go back to home. Okay children, so all of you have understood this chapter.